and delivering well as they move up in classes. You mentioned earlier, Ricardo, about the influx of Caribbean athletes and international athletes, and I think it's a good look for Jamaica. I think we have become the international hub for high school excellence in track and field, much like the NCA is the collegiate hub.
Yeah, preliminary action going on in the triple jump for Class 2 boys. That's Joshua Patrick of Kingston College. His first round effort. We are at the second flight in this competition now. And Patrick looking to get a good mark on the board to help him in his quest to secure a place in the final.
14.41 meters on that attempt for Joshua Patrick of KC.
Next on the runway, Tevin Wilson of San Diego. Class 2 boys at triple jump qualifying. He gets the white flag. 13.50 meters is what is required to automatically get into the final. So that effort of 14.41 for Joshua Patrick of Kingston College does get him the automatic qualifying mark. And he joins Demaria Clark, his Kingston College teammate, Andre McKenzie of Happy Grove, Talshon Edwards of Calabar, Omari Stewart of Calabar, Winalda Faulkner of San Diego. This man fourth in the long jump, trying to put it together in the triple jump for Cornwall College, Zihu Witter. And so just counting down the list of automatically qualified athletes, we already have 8 of them. 13.50 does seem a little bit low for the automatic qualifying mark, and we already have 8, and we are.
This is Kevin Mitchell of Excelsior, 12.60 meters in the first round. This is his second jump.
Needs 13.50 to book his place. Oh, that was awkward, and I don't think he has the required mark to get into the final. Triple jump Class 2 boys, they will compete in the championship event on Saturday. Could be a big moment, could be a big event for Kingston College. They will be pushing for a 1-2 finish in this one. Calabar with quality in there as well. The long jump silver medalist Talshon Edwards.
Nicotroy Green of Jamaica College
scored in the long jump. A couple of points for his school. Failed his first attempt. Can he put it together in the second round to secure a place in the final? 13.50, the automatic qualifying standard. Nicotroy Green, nice and tall. Oh, that was very close on the board. Got it all wrong. It would have been a fall anyhow. And then he bailed out of the effort. So back-to-back falls for the JC boy. That puts him in a spot of bother. They already have one automatically qualified in Jamaica College. That's Amika Hinklewood at 13.52.
Marcel Townsend of Manchester
Gets into the pit.
Very close to the automatic qualifying mark of 13.50, 13.47 on his first attempt. This doesn't seem to be an improvement, but we await confirmation definitely. Correction, 11.57 meters on his first attempt for Townsend. This is the man who jumped 13.47 meters, Demar Johnson from Monroe College.
Johnson of Monroe College trying to see if he can find the 13.50 required to get him into the final. Oh, nice on the board. Oh, just lost it. Got pretty close to the rake there. That's dangerous. Good presence of mind from the official as well.
Has all the ingredients to get it right. Good down the runway. Nails it on the board. Great 2 first phases. Just loses it on the jump phase of this triple jump.
.85 meters.
Gordon of Woolmer's fouled on his first attempt. He gets ready to take his second attempt.
Amari Gordon, what does he do here? Very fast down the runway like all the Woolmer's jumpers, and that should be good enough. He doesn't seem too happy.
It looks like it was a foul.
Yes, it was. Red is the flag. Oh, the mark definitely looked good, but he's in a spot of bother now because he has 2 foul jumps. Yes, there's confirmation.
Steps over the board. Always difficult when you show up and the run-up that you use every day, it's just not working when you need it the most.
That's sports for you. Here is Tevin Wilson of St. Jago. No. Holding on to that right side of his as well. Not sure if he jerked something in the effort. He does get the white flag, but it won't be significant enough to give him an opportunity to get into the final at this stage. Marcadine Moore of St. Mary High is holding on to 12th position with a best mark of 12.73. So 12.73 is the bubble mark at this stage of the competition. Second round for these jumpers in flight 2. Zihu Witter coming up. He's outside a qualifying spot. He's in 14th position. Does he deliver the jump needed? No, I don't think so. But he gets a legal mark this time. Fouled his first round effort. Witter thought he had a long jump bronze medal, was denied by Winalda Faulkner in the final round. And now he tries to see if he can produce something special in the triple jump. It's 12.20. That will not be good enough for him. He remains in that 14th spot with 12.20. Kevin Mitchell of Excelsior. He has a 12.36 to his credit. Needs a lot more than that. Needs 12.74 to be able to book his place in the final. I can just imagine it can be nerve-wracking sometime. You've been competing for 3.5 days to moderate crowds, and all of a sudden you hear the vuvuzelas, the drums beating all around you. The atmosphere has changed inside the National Stadium, and some rise to that occasion, others falter under the added intensity of the moment.
I tell you what, the energy of champs on a Friday night is incredible. That is when you're in a surreal moment and the adrenaline is high and performances are good. Tonight will be great.
Nicotroy Green of Jamaica College is in trouble. Scored for them in the long jump, but he has 2 foul efforts in the triple jump. Oh, that was really close on the board. Was it a red or a white flag? It's white, and he might have done enough. We've already seen one JC boy escape with a massive final round effort today. That was in the Class 3 long jump final. And here we are in the Class 2 triple jump first round with Nicotroy Green. Very good on the board, actually. And that may well be good enough. Now we await the distance. 12.74 or better. It's 12.91. Nicker Troy Green of Jamaica College moves into a qualifying position. He's in 11th position with that effort. How about Manchester Hines Townsend, 11.57 and 11.33. That won't be good enough to advance him to Saturday at Champs.
No, but let's see if he gets an improvement. At least something to work with as he moves on and tries to improve in this event. Takes off from behind the board. Good height on the first step, hop, and extends into the pit as we await his mark.
Yeah, clearly still new to the event as you look at DeMar Johnson, 13.47 for Johnson. He's in 9th position, 13.47 and 11.85. Nice, beautiful run up to the board. Oh, that's great jumping, but guess what? He's left his right hand in the pit, and that is going to affect his distance significantly. That was automatic qualification had it not been for the right arm behind him. Very good on the board there. Beautiful technical jump. There it goes. As he gets stronger, he will get better, but he knows he's given away about 30-40 centimeters there.
And he looks at the mark and thinks, oh, this is why coach always says to get my arms in front of me.
There you go. Amari Gordon now. He's in a spot of bother as well, the Wolmerian. Another lovely jumper technically. Flies down the runway like all the Wolmerian jumpers do. Hits the board well. Oh, that's wonderful. That's the way you do it when your back is against the wall.
Getting the white flag. It's legal.
Amari Gordon with a third and final round effort in triple jump qualifying.
Big effort down the runway. No fear after 2 falls. He goes for it. Nails the board. And big effort. Wow. Very close to 15 meters. The official mark, 14.43 meters. That's solid.
There are some days in competition when you have to put caution to the wind and just go for it. Amari Gordon just went for it and he gets automatic qualification with 14.43. That vaults him into 2nd position in qualifying. As we now have a look at Tevin Wilson of St. Jago, he is down in 20th position, 11.15 and 11.29. No, it's not the 100 meters, it's the triple jump, 12.48. That's a significant improvement, but it's not good enough. And that is the way the cookie crumbles. Another dramatic ending to a field event here at the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships.